Hey RootsStones&Bones folks, this is Hilary and this is my Crafter's Minute. I need new needle storage. I have lots of tomato pin cushions, but I find I've just been tossing them onto this metal stitch guide. So I figured I would make some little plates with magnets on the bottom. So for this project you'll need a small dish with a lip about a ½ inch on the bottom, a ceramic magnet plate, and super glue. So you simply just glue it onto the bottom and presto, in less than a minute you have a very strong, effective magnet plate that's also beautiful for your sewing room. I found these dishes at an antique shop in the dollhouse section, and I thought that they were perfect. They also have lilacs on them. They're very pretty. So that's my Crafter's Minute. I hope you enjoy.